What you will say? Ah, no. Say Zaid is back and he got something. Okay, take two. Take two. What you will say? No need to carry. I thought you. No need. He wants to carry. No need to carry. Oh my gosh. He wants to carry. He wants to repeat. He wants to go from that side. Okay, ready? Go. Airplane? Oh, airplane. You're in a hurry? Huh? What else? Slowly, it will break. Oh, there's a coffee here.
And this is coffee.
Coffee and tape because yesterday you threw my coffee. My tape. Where did you put it? He forgot where he threw it. You know, I bunal him last time.
And this
The glue.
for the school.
Yes, for the school and your body wash.
The body wash.
And we also have here your the stapler because sometimes we have project, we have homework. Project at home. Yes. This is the Chinese grapes, Baba. Did you taste it? No, it doesn't look like grapes.
A grapes.
Let's see. We'll see. We'll find it. And the green onion and tomato. Coffee slowly. It will break. It's small one.
What's this?
How much, Baba? The small one.
Look at that.
15 on sale.
15.
The big one.
The big one.
Before.
Garbage.
Before.
This is not the Russian one.
Onion. And
This is not the Russian one.
yeah.
This is the original.
Yeah. Okay. Thanks.
What's this?
Coffee.
Coffee.
Yes, that's
No, no, no,
coffee.
her back.
Okay. He has to go that side. Okay, ready? Go! Oi! Oi, fix your short. Oi, what happened to your short? Come here. Baby. Your shorts. Oh, look. Oh. Why it's like this? Why you twist like that? Sige. What you will say? You did not say anything. Still sleepy, Baba. You did not say anything. Okay, take 3. Okay, come here. Why it's straight, no period? Zaydo is back and he got something. What is that, Zayd? Like that. Okay, take 4. He has to come back. Okay, ready? Go. Back.
Something. What did it say?
Oh, it's-
Stop.
Stop. Stop. What?
Actually,
Oh, finish? You left? You left? Finished? Huh? Only because he got his airplane. Without airplane, he will not open. Kena? Mama lang eh. Milo for mama and coffee mates. How about the other stuff? I will go there, be. No need Zido is back because he is lazy today. Because he got his toys already. His toy already. Oh, this is the Nescafe. Nescafe, the original one. Huh? And what is this? For my mom. You saw it then? The rice for us and the Ariel. Okay? Thank you, Baba. Say thank you, Baba. Say thank you. Sige, ready? Go!
something. What did it
Uy! Be careful. Do not throw. Oh my gosh. Am I throwing? Go there. Mama will do it. Okay, go there. Go that side. Go backward. Come a little bit. Mama will help you. Okay? Which one will open first? The small one or the big one?
The big one.
The big one? Why? What's inside the big one?
The gun.
The gun? What kind of gun?
The gun. Airplane.
Shooting airplane? The shooting airplane? Wait, so Zayd is very excited, He couldn't wait. 1, 2, 3. Open!
The shooting airplane.
Oh. Wow. We will open again. Give me that one. We'll open. Where's the... Wait. Here is the... Go that side, Anna.
Shake.
Huh? What color is this? Red or green?
Red.
What do you think?
It's too red.
Red?
Open.
Okay. Zido will open. Sige, Zido will open. Wow, it's green color.
It's green.
Oh, it's green like this one. Wow, and here's the airplane. The airplane is the bullet, right? We'll see. We'll try. Go there. Go down. Oh, here's the bullet. It's made of paper. Paper. Yeah. It's okay. It's not risky. It's not hazardous. Give me. So Trib, we'll find it out. How to do it. Where's the... I think it's like this. We put it here. And here. Oh, there's a hole. You have to insert the oh, okay. Wait sa, baby. Mama will help you. Like this, oh. Do not. And where's the gun? How to do it?
No.
Oh, wait sa, Mama will help you. Wait sa, not yet, baby. We don't know yet. We don't know yet. Wait sa, how to do it? Where we will start? Will we start here or the other side? A moment. Mama will teach you. Like this, you have to cock first. Like that. And then you insert the airplane. Like this. Wait ha, do not pull ha. Do not pull the trigger. Wait, sige. Is it like this? Wait. Sige, like this. Okay? Ready? No. Hold this one. Like this. Oh, shoot the box. Try. Oh, like that. We have to fire up.
Yes.
Yeah, in the sky. Okay? We'll try again. How to do it? I forgot. I did like this, right? Oh my gosh, why it's... Oh, like this. You have to cut first. And then you have to fire in the sky. Wait. So, sige, okay. Fire. Oh! Where is it? It's there. Mama will fix the other airplane, okay? We'll assemble the other ones.
No.
Done. Oh, you have 4 bullets now. Only one by one. You want to open the other one? Sige. Did you cock? you cannot do it? No. Sige. Oh! 2 bullets. Find it.
2 boxes.
Oh, 2 boxes. Oh, do not destroy this. Put it down. Now, Mama will open the small box, okay? What's inside the small box, Zaid? You know it, Zaid?
This is sticky.
What?
This is sticky.
Huh?
Sticky.
What digger?
Digger.
Digger?
This is digger here.
No.
It's a vitamin.
It's a vitamin. Oh, is this for Baba? Lotus Bayer? Aspirin for Baba. It's for Baba.
Let's see inside
Give it
this.
to Baba. It's not for you. Okay? Do not throw the box because you will need this tomorrow. You have the recycle activity. Okay? What will I do with this?
The wood missing.
Oh, what will I do with this?
Wood missing.
Huh?
A wood missing.
Who will take the medicine?
Mama.
For Mama? Why?
For Baba.
Oh, not yet. Sige, ready?
Bag, I got something. What are the toys and coming?
Are you in a hurry? What are these? Show it to Mama. Toys? Wow, nice toys. See? How about the other ones over there? You want to show to Mama what you bought? Huh? Only the toys? What's the other one? The other one? That one? Oh, the other one.
Oh, the metro.
What's that?
A metro.
Metro. The other one.
Helicopter.
Helicopter. The other one.
Train.
The train.
A motorcycle.
Huh?
A motorcycle.
Motorcycle.
Two,
Oh, how about that one? You want to show to mama?
Yes, sir.
What is that?
Paint.
For painting. Watercolors. What is that? Watercolor.
Let's open
You want to open? Your mama will show.
the wheel.
The wheel. Oh my gosh, it's hard. Wait. Oh, nice watercolor. How many colors are there? You count.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12,
How many?
12.
12. Very good. How about the tissue? You want to bring the tissue? And the other bag from Lulu? There's another toy there. There, your Lulu bag. The blue one. That one, yeah, yeah. Bring it here, the bag. Come here, that one. Yes, bring that bag. There's a toy inside.
Take the bag.
Just leave the tissue. No need the tissue. Come
Take the bag.
here, hurry up, Zaid. Time is running. Hurry up. Okay, again. Take 2. Okay.
In the bag, we got something other than the toy.
Toy? What kind of toys? Kind of toys?
And this one,
Oh.
inside,
Inside the plastic, another plastic.
I want,
Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh.
I want toys
Okay.
there.
Oh, sige, go get it. And show it to mama. Mm.
I want ABC.
Oh, ABC. Show it to mama. You did not show it to mama. Show it to mama. Where's the ABC? Come here. Where are you going? Where are you going? Show it to mama first. Come here. Oi, hurry up, oi. Ah. Oh, nice one. Zido will play the ABC. Okay? ABCs. The letters. Okay? The alphabet. Okay?
Oh, there,
No more? No more.
there's a bus.
No more. This is from pizza. Okay?
Where's the bus?
Here, oh, down, oh. Here. Where you put? You put the bus. I think. Oh, here. Happy?
The wheels on the bus.
Mm.